What's up? Welcome back to a new episode of Look What I Found. I am Tanvi Deshmukh and I am so excited for this video because I am going to be doing a home decor haul video, both of which are a first time for this platform actually on Instagram. I have already done a home decor video where I show you guys new curtains for the house, which is up on YouTube. But this is the first time doing a haul video, and this is the first time that I'm also doing a home decor video on Instagram. Well, I am really excited to show you guys everything that I've got. This is the first time that my husband and I have actually set up the entire place from scratch. We got an empty flat and then we just added everything that like we resonate with, and anybody who sees can tell that the flat has a very the house has a very boho vibe to it, and that's just how we would like to keep it. Alright, so the first thing that I got when we moved here was some ceramic plates and mugs. That was something that was on my list for a really long time now, because usually when you stay with your parents, a lot of times it's only glass or steel, and I was like, nahi, meko to ghar mein aise nice colorful ceramic plates we wanted. And luckily enough, just around that time I had also discovered Artisans of Banjara, where I could get all of this for a very reasonable price. So yes, first up are these, I got these mugs from there. I called for like a couple of mugs. There was this plate, which is like a smaller plate, and then there were also bigger plates that I ordered. Not too many though, ek do hi I ordered, but damn nice, damn super strong, and also works in the microwave, so that's the best thing. Well, that was all from Artisans of Banjara. There was recently a exhibition near my house. It was a handloom exhibition, and I got these really cute coasters from there. If you if you actually look at all of my designs, you can tell that I love colorful stuff. If there is reflection, I can just and then there was this, and then I also found a really nice mug. Yes, you can tell, I think blue is just becoming the overarching theme of this house, but I guess I like it. Up next are these really cute candles I got from LBB, and these I actually got for Diwali. These are tea light holders, as you can see, but I never really ended up using them. I would just place it in the house. So yes, that was from there. Then like I said, I love block prints. So anyway, this is a really nice bed sheet I got from this place called Shop Ruhaniyat, and she is functioning from the north of India. Attaching a picture for you guys to see how this looks in my first room, because that is where we actually have like a bed hug of sorts. Like I said, there are no beds and there are no sofas in the house. This is a dhuri. It's a really light dhuri. I almost considered making it a curtain, but I ended up finding better ones. Not to say that this is not good, but this looks absolutely nice, because I love how it's bright and then it just adds the right color to my room, because all the walls are white. Now up next are some plants. I am not really going to go deep into which plants these are, but yes, I got a bunch of indoor plants because I wasn't very particular about which plants I want, but I was just very particular about wanting to have those air purifying and de-stressing plants inside the house. Yes, so I got a bunch of indoor plants, some of which you can see right here. Yes, this is the Monstera, then there is one more there's one more in that corner, and then that is the snake plant. But like I said, I will do another video on all the different kinds of plants that there are in the house, because there are still some more additions that need to be made. Like I said, I wanted the house to have a very boho vibe, so this is a tray I found on Amazon, and I absolutely love how colorful this is. I love colorful stuff. I just love colorful stuff. During Diwali, I luckily found these lanterns, which I, by the way, will also be using as lamps now that Diwali is over. I absolutely love this. This is one that I got for one of the rooms, and another one I am just going to attach an image or a video for the same. I love how these aren't your usual lanterns, and how I can be made of cardboard, so I can just dismantle it and reuse it as a lamp anywhere I want in the house. And that is what I love about it. Also the fact that it's colorful and that it just goes with the boho vibe of the house. So yes, that was a good find. Honestly, that was a good find. So yes, I really good job. So the best part about this house is that it has a very nice vibe in the morning, and it has an altogether different vibe in the evening. So and because there are like such huge windows, I had the scope to experiment with lights and have lights in different corners of the house as well. I am again going to try and put in a video for that or a picture. I do have a few pictures. This is how I actually decorated it during Diwali. These lights are from Kronos Lights, by the way. They have an amazing range of lights. Please check it out. I think I got almost all of my lights are from Kronos Lights. There is one in this corner. Like I said, this is the one we got during Diwali, and then there is one in another corner. So yes, that keeps my house pretty lit in the evening and then in the night. Well, that was pretty much it, you guys. Let me know how you guys liked this video and the finds and all the things I got in the comments below. Looking forward to reading your comments and getting any kind of input or feedback you guys might have for this video or these kind of videos, or for me or my finds. So let me know, and I will see you guys soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, sending lots of love and good vibes as always. Bye bye.